I don't know how we could reproduce these and make a necklace, but they'd be beautiful if we could take each one and somehow connect them together. My name is Jane Orton. I started designing and handcrafting jewellery in 1997. I'm inspired by my surroundings where I live in Derbyshire's Peak District and from the things I see when I travel. I'm fortunate that my workshop overlooks my garden where I get to watch the seasons change throughout the year. I'm wrapping silver wire around a mandrel in order to create jump rings, ready to make a chain. I'll have to cut the jump rings, careful that I don't cut my fingers, and then close the ends together so there's a snug fit, ready for them to be soldered. I enjoy soldering. I find simple pleasure in watching the solder run across the joints. Now I take each jump ring and put them on my round nose pliers and pull hard to create an elongated oval. I then have to hammer each oval flat in order to create each link. I enjoy hearing the sound of the hammer tapping. In walks my husband to see what I'm doing and hopefully offer a cup of tea. New saw blade in my piercing saw, ready to cut through some of the links and start connecting them together, and I again have to join the edges up really carefully so that they fit snugly, ready to solder. Here is a magnetic polisher and a barrel polisher. Both are really good at creating different finishes at the end of making an item. Most of my tools, however, and methods of making have been the same for jewellers over the centuries. There we are, one finished shiny chain ready for somebody to wear. And now back out in the garden for another look round and a smell of those lovely roses.